Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the brand new ocean cleanup hobby in Heartopia. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to head over to the Willfall Canyon and begin the new underwater quest line. Follow the main objectives until you're asked to interact with the marine archaeology team. Next, look for the clamshell icon at the top of your screen. This opens the Willfall Canyon exploration menu. Many players miss this step, but it's the key to unlock the hobby. Now start completing the local quest and the daily request. These activities reward you with exploration points and exploration certificate. Once you've earned enough exploration points, open the clan menu again and upgrade your exploration level to level 2 using one exploration certificate. As soon as you reach exploration level 2, you'll automatically unlock the ocean cleanup hobby. You'll receive the ocean cleanup tool, and Oliver will guide you through the basic tutorial on how to use it. After unlocking the hobby, equip the cleanup tool from your hobbies menu and start cleaning the polluted clouds scattered around Willfall Canyon. Every pollutant you clean gives you exploration points, hobby experience, and a chance to collect valuable seashells that you can sell for gold. To level up even faster, don't forget to complete your daily request every day. They're the best way to earn more exploration certificates, which you'll need for higher exploration levels and even better rewards. And that's all you need to do to unlock the ocean cleanup hobby in Heartopia Call of Whales event. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Heartopia guides, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.